Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 search not working. And now, let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with the Windows 11 search functionality, the first step is to utilize the built-in troubleshooter. Begin by right-clicking on your Start button and selecting Settings from the context menu. Once in Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab. Within this section, locate and click on Search. You will then find the Indexer Troubleshooter. Click on it to initiate the troubleshooting process. Follow the on-screen prompts by clicking Next, Next, and then selecting the option to fix it. After the troubleshooter has completed its work, proceed to Advanced Indexing options. In this window, click on Advanced, and then select the Rebuild option to completely rebuild the search index. This process might take some time depending on the size of your index. Once the index rebuild is complete, it is advisable to restart the Windows Explorer process. Open the Windows search bar, type Task Manager, and then open the Task Manager application. Allow a moment for it to load. Locate Windows Explorer in the list of processes, right-click on it, and then select Restart. This action refreshes the Windows Explorer shell and can often resolve search-related problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.